Today I'm cleaning up and reorganizing the toy closet, so I thought I'd bring you along and show you the process of how I organize it. The first thing I do is pull everything out of the closet and decide what I should donate and what I want to keep and put back in. I started off with the books, deciding which books we don't really read anymore, like baby books or books that have been ripped, and then I categorize them. I'm also categorizing the holiday books, so this is Halloween. I have Christmas on this side. The kids have a really cute bookshelf in their room, so I'll, decorate it for the holidays and put all the holiday books out. Now I have a couple Valentine's books, but I'm also looking at what else to put on their shelf, so that's what's taking me a little bit longer. Now that I've categorized their books, it will be so much easier when I rotate and switch out the books in their bookshelf to come over here and know where everything is. The next step is to categorize and sort. Divide toys into specific categories such as board games, dolls, building blocks, etc. Utilize bins and baskets and shelves to create designated space for each category. This will make it so easy for your kids to find things. I just ordered these and they came in the mail today, which is why I got excited to start doing the closet. And it looks like they're a perfect fit. I measured before, and these are Lego sets that I wanted to just contain in these bins. And I feel like it's gonna be a really good system. I love using these zipper bags for Lego sets. I put the instructions with all the pieces, and whenever they're bored, they come in and pick a set to do. I love using bins or zipper bags to contain things with a lot of little pieces to keep a set of something together. I love using these clear bins for floor puzzles because the pieces are so big and you can tape the picture on the front so they can see what they're doing. Zipper bags are also another great option if you're short of space. For board games or kid games, I love getting rid of boxes and using these zipper bags instead because I can fit a lot of those zipper bags in one bin and contain all the games in one area. For bigger games that wouldn't fit in a zipper bag, I just put in a clear bin and the pieces that go with it in a little baggie. You can use a plastic baggie if you want as well. Just to let you know, it's totally normal to burn out in the middle of the project. If you want to start it the next day, that is totally fine. It usually takes me 2 or 3 days to finish one project. Now I'm just picking up last minute things and putting everything in the closet. The last thing I do is label everything, which is my favorite step. I love it so much. Make sure the labels are crystal clear and kid friendly. Using simple words or even pictures help. This not only makes finding toys so easy, but also turns cleaning up into a fun activity for kids. Labels help kids know where toys belong, and it encourages them to put things back where they belong. It's a win-win, and I just am always a fan of labeling. All right, we're all done. This was the before and the after, so much better. I link all the bins and the baskets on the blog. You can also learn more about how to rotate toys and how to maintain the space so it doesn't get messy.